fabulous ladies. So winter is still here and I'm feeling it. I recently shared a video with you all about winter beauty hacks, but let's be real, winter isn't just tough on your skin, it's tough on everything. The cold, the dark mornings, the feeling of just wanting to hibernate, I have the same. So today I'm sharing winter wellness hacks to help you get through these last cold days, feeling good, energized and actually enjoying the season instead of just waiting for it to end. If you love all things wellness, self-care and living beautifully, I would love for you to subscribe and be part of this wonderful community. Now let's get into it. Number 1. Staying hydrated in winter is one of those things that's so easy to forget. Because unlike summer, when you are constantly feeling thirsty, the colder months don't make you naturally reach for water. But hydration is just as important in winter, not just for your skin, but for your energy, digestion and overall health. One of the easiest ways to make sure you are getting enough water, start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water. It hydrates your body after sleep, kickstarts digestion and metabolism, and supports your immune system, which is so important during cold and flu season. If you struggle to drink enough water during the day, try keeping a water bottle near you at all times, on your desk, in your bag, wherever you will sit. And if you find plain water boring, add a slice of lemon, cucumber, or even a few drops of electrolytes. The goal isn't just to drink more water for the sake of it, it's about keeping your body feeling good, your skin hydrated and your energy levels up, even when it's freezing outside. Eating well in winter isn't just about staying healthy, it's about feeling good, keeping energy levels up, and even staying warm from the inside out. The key is real whole foods, lots of fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and good sources of protein. Because what you eat directly affects your skin, mood, and immunity. So first, avoiding processed foods as much as possible. It makes a huge difference. Processed foods cause inflammation, which can lead to dull skin, bad digestion and overall lower energy, which is the last thing you need in winter. Instead, focus on fresh, nutritious food that actually nourish your body. A great winter tip: incorporate warming spices into your diet. Spices like ginger, turmeric and cayenne pepper do more than just add flavor. They actually help improve circulation, keep your body warm, and boost immunity. A simple habit is starting your day with ginger tea, or adding turmeric to soups and stews. Winter cravings are real, so it's all about balance. You don't need to eat perfectly, but focusing on whole, warming and nutritious foods, it will help you feel and look your best. One of the biggest reasons we feel low energy in winter is lack of sunlight. Less daylight means our bodies produce less vitamin D, which is essential for mood, immunity and overall well-being. So taking vitamin D supplements in winter is a must. It helps with energy levels, keeps your immune system strong and can even improve mood during the darker months. Another great way to support your body is through personalized vitamins and supplements. Instead of taking a one-size-fits-all approach, you can tailor your supplements to your exact needs. Many brands now offer customized wellness routines and solutions based on your lifestyle. It's such a simple habit, but staying on top of your vitamins during winter can help you feel more energized, healthier, and ready to take on the day. I'm actually thinking about Wild Nutrition supplements. They offer a consultation and they supplements that are food grown. This video is not sponsored, so when I start my journey with them, I will report back to you. Winter makes it so tempting to stay cozy inside, but staying active is one of the best ways to keep your energy up and feel good during the colder months. Movement boosts circulation, improves mood, and helps prevent that tired, slow feeling we all get in winter. The trick is finding something that actually feels good in winter for you. It doesn't have to be intense. Just 10 minutes of stretching or even a short walk can make a difference. If it's too cold outside, indoor workouts like yoga, dance, or resistance training are great options too. And if you are not in the mood for a full workout, even just taking the stairs instead of the lift, or standing up and stretching every hour helps keeping your body moving. The key is consistency, finding small, enjoyable ways to stay active that don't feel like trying too much. It's not about pushing yourself hard, it's about keeping your body moving and your energy up, even on the coldest days. The key to staying warm in winter without looking bulky is smart layering. Wearing multiple thin layers instead of one thick one helps trap heat while keeping you comfortable. Start with a thermal or silk base layer, then add a light sweater or a tailored coat. This way you stay warm but can adjust easily if you go indoors. If you love wearing skirts or dresses, thermal leggings or thick tights are a must. And for extra warmth, cashmere socks and a chic wool scarf will make a difference. Choosing breathable fabrics is also important. Materials like wool, cashmere, merino wool keep warmth in but prevent overheating or irritation. Winter dressing is all about balancing function with elegance. And with the right layers, you will feel warm, comfortable, and stylish all season. Winter doesn't have to feel dull or depressing. Sometimes it's all about changing how we experience it. Instead of counting down the days until spring, try making winter feel cozy, indulgent, and special. Create a warm, inviting atmosphere at home with beautiful scented candles, soft blankets, and warm drinks in elegant cups. Even something as simple as a chic teacup can make your morning feel so much luxurious. Invest in the classic winter coat that makes you feel confident, and embrace the little joys of winter, like reading by the candlelight, taking a slow evening bath, or going for a crispy winter walk in a beautiful coat and boots. It's the small things that shift how winter feels. So instead of dreading the cold, lean into the cozy, luxurious moments that make it enjoyable. Winter naturally makes us feel sleepier. And honestly, it's not just in our heads. Longer nights signal to our body that it needs more rest. So instead of fighting it, this is the perfect time to adjust your sleep habits and routine and create a cozy, relaxing nighttime routine. Try going to bed a little earlier and using warmer, softer lighting in the evening. Bright white lights signal daytime, and candlelight tones help your body wind down. I've actually been using the ultra-human ring to track my sleep, and it's been so interesting to see the data on how well or not so well I'm sleeping. It tracks sleep, cycles, heart rate and recovery, which has helped me adjust my evening routine to get better rest. I noticed that when I sleep earlier, dim the lights in the evening, and avoid screen before bed, my sleep scores are so much better. A good tip: make your bedroom feel like a sleep sanctuary. Soft blankets, fresh sheets, maybe even a few drops of lavender oil on your pillow. If you struggle to unwind, a warm herbal tea, stretching, or even a few minutes of journaling, they can help signal to your body that it's time to rest. Winter is actually the best season to reset your sleep schedule and focus on getting deep, quality rest, because nothing beats waking up actually feeling refreshed. So those were my winter wellness hacks. Because let's be honest, winter can feel long, and these little habits really make a difference in how you feel, how you look, and how you get through these last cold days. From staying hydrated and eating warming foods to layering smart, keeping your skin and hair nourished and getting enough rest, it's all about making winter feel more manageable, more cozy, and a little more enjoyable. Now I would love to hear from you. What's your go-to winter wellness tip and hack? Do you have a favorite ritual that helps you feel good in winter? Let me know in the comments. And of course, if you love all things wellness, beauty, elegant living, I would love for you to like this video, subscribe, and join this wonderful community. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.